In this video, I will show you how you can video call someone on WhatsApp. So let's get started. First of all, open WhatsApp and open the chat of the person to whom you want to video call. After opening the chat, you can see two icons on the top of your screen. One is a simple call icon, whereas another is the video call icon. The one on the left side is the video call icon, so tap on it if you want to video call. Then it will pop up a message asking for permission to start video call. Tap on call. So you can video call a person as I showed you earlier. Thank you for watching the video.